Hey, come take a look at this. I wouldn't mind taking one of these for a spin. Welcome guys, David here with a hotel review of the Wynn. I've booked in a basic king room so I can show you guys around the property, starting with the hotel room, and the first thing I like to do is check out the view, so let's take a look. I'm here on the 28th floor, and I got a strip view. I didn't ask for a strip view, I just booked in a basic king, but they gave me a strip view, which is very nice of them, and I can see everything. I can see the Plaza, I can see Treasure Island, I can see the mountain ranges all across, I can even see the high roller over there. These windows are huge. And on top of all that, I'm right in front of the Lake of Dreams show, so I get to watch it from my room tonight as it's going on. This is an amazing view. Now let's go check out the bathroom. The bathroom here is gorgeous. You've got a double sink, double mirror setup over here. You've got a standing shower, a tub, and a separate toilet, which I love. Nothing bad to say about this beautiful bathroom. So my first impressions, as I walked in, it smelled nice, it smelled clean, just like you'd expect. And as you enter into the room, you start to notice all the decor, the high ceilings, the nice trim of all the gold. It feels really upscale and elegant. I really liked it. And as I started to look around the room more, I noticed there was an Alexa, and all this stuff is voice activated. You can turn on the TV, you can close the blinds, turn off the lights, play music. It's all really cool. Very nice feature. So let's go check out the rest of the property, starting with the pool.
Feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine. The pools at the Wynn are gorgeous, just as you expect. There's two giant pools on either side, connected by a canal that you can swim through. There's even a European-style pool on the other side of the cabana that I can't show you because it's topless. But if you want a place to relax, this is definitely the spot. The music is low, the surroundings are beautiful, definitely a serene oasis. But you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine. Let's talk about the location of the Wynn. It's located on the north end of the strip, but it's not far north. In my opinion, you can still walk to the center strip from here. You're also right across from the Fashion Show Mall. The Grand Canal shops are in walking distance. To me, this is not a bad location at all. The waves and sound it, and just say whatever, 'cause there is no way you're grounded. Everyone falls down sometime, but you just got good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Some really cool cars in there, and they even have a driving simulator you can rent, $250 for an hour or $400, and you can race against your friend. Something I definitely want to check out.
If you're staying at the Wynn, something you have to check out is the Lake of Dreams show. It's a show that starts at 8 p.m. and runs every half an hour, and there's variations every time, so it's not always the same. There's also a little terrace, you can go view it. You don't have to pay anything, you can just walk out there. There's even a sign that says North Show Terrace. Let's go check it out.
Slow down on Monday, not a sound. On Wednesday, yeah, might get loud. On Friday, but on Saturday, we paint the town. Lose my sense of
The casino floor at the Wynn is just massive. There's tons of variety of slot machines. There's also table games with $50 and $100 minimums. Keep in mind they are catering to a certain class. And there's a beautiful sports book. There's also a poker room, but it's on the encore side, so you're gonna have to walk over there. And the Wynn Summer Classic is coming up with just a ton of tournaments with huge guarantees. So if you're into poker, definitely check that out if you're coming soon.
exaggerate the life we used to know. Slow down on Monday, not a sound. On Wednesday, yeah, might get loud. On Friday, but on Saturday, we paint the town. Ooh, you're good. These are my dancing shoes.
There's no shortages of places to eat at the Wynn. There are so many. There's SW, there's Pisces, there's Red 8 behind me, even Delilah, which is a super fancy place. They take your phone away so you like when you get in there. But tonight, we're actually gonna be dining off property at the recommendation of an Uber driver that dropped us off here. Let me take you there.
I can't feel the waves anymore. Did the tide forget to move? I just pray that I'm not.
Just sat down here at Happy Camper and ordered 2 pizzas, the Dadza and the barbecue chicken. Hope it's good.
Keep things fresh. She said that I should change my clothes. I exaggerate the life we used.
Pizza just arrived and it is delicious. I'm already into it. Really good.
I'll just go to bed. I'm tired.
I want to watch Friends with you.
Just finished up inside of Happy Camper and I owe that Uber driver a nice tip. That food was delicious. The pizza was great. Dough was light and fluffy. I enjoyed the whole thing. If you're in the area, definitely check that place out. Now, it's getting late. I'm getting tired. So I will see you guys in the morning.
Saturday, we paint the town.
Good morning, guys. Just sitting here enjoying this view before I have to check out. Let me give you my final thoughts on the Wynn. Let's start with what I paid to get in here. I paid $159 plus taxes and fees. It came out to be just over $240, which I think is a steal because a lot of other places on the strip that aren't as nice will charge a very similar price. So if you can get into the Wynn for a good deal, absolutely, I would recommend it. This has to be one of my top properties, if not my most favorite. I haven't stayed at all of them, maybe eventually, but so far this is absolutely one of my favorites. The bed was so comfy, the sleep was so nice, and the atmosphere of the property too is just very lively, very fun. Enjoyed my stay immensely. If you guys have stayed here, let me know what you thought, whether you liked it or not, or if you think there's a better place than the Wynn, I would like to know too. But that's pretty much all I have to say. I have nothing bad to say about the Wynn. Enjoyed my time here, and I look forward to coming back. I think I'll go stay at the Encore next time and see how it compares to the Wynn. If you guys have stayed at both, also let me know. I'd love to hear what you have to say. But I'll keep it short today because it's just a positive review. 5 stars for the Wynn, absolutely. And this has been a fun adventure. Thank you guys for coming along with me.